So you might be in a situation where you want to go ahead and fix your blurry wallpaper on your particular iPhone. Now, this could mean a couple of things. One, it could mean that as soon as you unlock your iPhone, you go ahead and get a blurry wallpaper like this. If that is the case, all you're really going to have to do is make your way over to your iPhone settings. You want to scroll down into your wallpaper option right here. And what you want to do is when you go and get into this panel, you'll see your two different wallpapers, the non-blurry one and the blurry one. If you want to go and make it non-blurry, all you really have to do is go and click customize, and at the very bottom right, there's going to be an unblur option. So tap on unblur, and you can see the wallpaper is now unblurred as of that case. So that's really the first way to do it, if that's exactly what you're referring to, because you could be referring to a couple of different things. Now, if that doesn't seem to be the case, and you're okay with that, but let's say the wallpaper seems like it's a lower resolution, like it's just a blurry wallpaper, that could be happening for a couple of reasons. The very first thing is if the wallpaper that you downloaded, if it's in very low quality, it's going to be inputted into your wallpaper as very low quality as well. So what I mean by that is if I downloaded this wallpaper, right, and let's say it was not that high of a resolution, and I look into my gallery and it's a blurry wallpaper from my Photos app, that's basically going to mean that it's also going to be blurry when I set it as my wallpaper. So what I would recommend doing there is going into your particular, photo album or whatever you download wallpapers from and getting a higher resolution of that particular wallpaper. So that's the other thing. If that's what's basically happening, you can just type in, high resolution wallpapers online and try to find a wallpaper that way. That's another easy way to kind of fix this problem. So download the high resolution wallpaper and then set it as your wallpaper again. And that could probably end up fixing those blurry wallpapers as well. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.